Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the DOOGEE X95. So when I have a problem with my headphones or something, I'm only starting from the simplest way. Just simply restart the Bluetooth connection. Just switch it off and switch it on again. After that, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose restart. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it works. So after that, if you still don't have your device on the Bluetooth list, you can also try to go to the settings, slide down to the system, and look for the reset options. Choose reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth, and choose reset settings. After that, look for the device again. In the next step, you can try to update your system by opening the system. Or not. Yeah, we have to open the About phone and tap on the wireless update. If you have an update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on another Bluetooth device to check which gadget making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.